American Ninja Warrior with our contestant Adrian O'Brien. How you do today?
I'm good. I just went from there to here to see how it was, and I think
It's pretty lit.
yeah, this part is actually pretty easy because you're actually able to take a break every once in a while. But I'm not so sure what I'm going to do when I get over there because there's nowhere to rest. So I'm gonna have to try to see what I can do about it. Dar, what do you think's gonna happen?
You're gonna fall, and I'm gonna feel very sorry for you. And if you fall, then you're gonna hit your leg.
Let's just say legs, okay?
No.
You ready?
You're just gonna hit your leg, and you're gonna fall to the ground. And today we're gonna have. He's gonna go. Ready, set, go! American Ninja Warrior. It's almost there, folks. And he falls to the ground with our contestant fails.
Hey, I almost made it. I accidentally ended the video there, but actually I had no grip and I had nowhere to stand, so I couldn't actually hold on, so I fell. I'm perfectly okay. Entertaining, he was the cameraman. Anyways, see you later. Bye bye.